to the market, buyer activity remains steady in most areas of Maryland and home prices remain stable. Today is Friday, October 20th, 2023. This is your Maryland Market Minute. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates to you every Friday so you can stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. Contract activity week over week was higher and days on the market fell, indicating that Maryland homebuyers are undeterred by higher rates and 23.2% paid with cash for their recent purchase. 779 homes are coming soon. 1,968 homes hit the market over the past week, another steep rise over last week. 638 went under contract, 927 moved to pending, 1,132 sold at 100% list to sold ratio and 9 days before going under contract. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Cambridge for $3,600,000. The rental market may be finally balancing out as data indicates market rates slowing and inventory rising. Rentals available rose again this week to $2,472 at $2,400 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, October 20th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next week. Take care.